What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought it would be a really good idea to show you guys this recipe. It's just some low carb pancakes. I literally have this, you guys, every single night. And I get asked all the time, like, how do you eat those pancakes? Literally, how are you eating pancakes all the time? But what you don't know is they have absolutely no carbs in them. Not that carbs are bad, because I literally have a bowl of cereal with this meal every single night. But if you're craving something sweet and you are low carb, this is an awesome option. Or if you're just trying to be more mindful about what you're eating, this is a really, really, really good decision. So believe me when I say this recipe is all about the protein that I use, and I am in like no way, shape, or form sponsored by them. But that protein that I'm about to show you is amazing, and I've tried this with just a regular whey protein, and the difference is that this is a whey casein blend, so it's a little bit thicker, and it's awesome. And you can top it with whatever you want. I'm topping it with strawberries and like some honey. And yeah, it's an awesome low-cal option, so I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. And then also in this video, I have included an 8 ab and HIIT workout that I did this morning, and it absolutely killed me. I needed to get in the gym, get done fast, but I needed to train abs, and I also needed to hit cardio, so what's better than to just combine the two? The workout is awesome. So either way, I hope you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the recipe, enjoy the workout, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so I am going to walk you through this little carbless pancake recipe that I have for you guys. It's really easy. I was telling you guys about that protein that I use. That is the protein I use, the Select protein from PE Science. And then, as you can see, I turned the heat on the stove at the beginning, just because I find that when the pan is already hot, the pancake gets like a lot more crispy and it cooks a lot easier. So what I did is I just used a half cup of egg whites, of liquid egg whites, and then I'm using 20 grams of this Select PE Science protein. I'm using the vanilla flavor, and I literally just throw it in there, and then I mix that around. Right now I'm measuring my protein because I only get a certain amount. But like I said, this protein does wonders. So literally all it is egg whites and protein powder. Then you mix it up really good. Like I said, keep that stove on to make sure the pan is really hot, and then spray your pan. And honestly, just throw that pancake right on to the pan. I usually let it go on the sides until it starts getting nice and fluffy. But this protein is amazing. So they have chocolate chip peanut butter, which is really good. One of my favorites is peanut butter cookie. I think, what else? Oh, they have a snickerdoodle one that's really good, and I also like to put that in my protein. That is bomb. So while this is cooking, I figured I'd just sit here and talk to you guys. And then you could top these pancakes with anything you want, but it's awesome because these pancakes are literally just protein. Like I said, I have them every single night. So if you are out of carbs and fat for the day and you just have protein and you're like, damn it, I want something sweet, this is a really good option for you guys. Alright guys, so once that side looks cooked, see it's nice and fluffy. I probably cooked it a little too much, but you're just going to flip it and see it's a fluffy pancake. Usually before I would add baking soda, but honestly you don't even need it. So just do the protein powder and egg whites and it'll come out really good. And then I just let that side cook, honestly, and that's about it. You'll see me turn off the heat, and then I'm topping it with this Truvia nectar. It's actually honey, but it's sweetened with stevia, so there's like pretty much no carbs in it. And then that is the final product, guys. I topped it with strawberries and that honey. And I hope you guys enjoy that recipe. They're so good. Mmm.
Fortunate 5 years, started flipping. Prison dirty, had to see, so I started rapping. Oh baby, yeah, you was in prison, shorty started stripping. Then I got a place served and ain't no competition. When you pull up to the crib and see the waterfalls, you would think I produced TLC waterfalls. Them boys I just landed in Europe, new. Shopping bags, I'm a tourist, new. Tiptoeing out of Bangkok, you don't speak to me. I'm tiptoeing out